Very good morning to all of you. Start your trading day with Karthi Morning Moves. Benchmark indices open up taking cues from a global market and on the report that the Pakistan agreed to reduce accelerating tension on the line of control. This was also supported by the India core sector output rising to 3.2% of occurs on the back of sharp rise in steel production and pickup in cements, suggesting a lift in infrastructure and construction activity. During the day, auto stock rose ahead as the festive season demand boosted company September's sales number, which confirmed that the demand was headed upward. In today's session, the market participants will keep an eye on RBI monetary policy decision, which will be published at 2:30 p.m. Hence, high volatility is expected in the last hour of the trade as based on yesterday's price action, it is assumed that market is already factoring in positivity and rate cuts. If the RBI maintains status quo, then it may disappoint market participants. Nifty gained momentum since the opening hours, closed at 8738 with a gain of 126 points. That is 1.47%, recouped most of their losses made last Thursday. Another supporting fact was contraction in the India VIX by 9.08% to 15.62 from 17.18 recorded in the previous sessions. Technically, Nifty, after staying below its 50 days exponential moving average for the two sessions, managed to close above the average, which indicates that the bull routine lost confidence. Based on the above observation, we recommended traders to buy Nifty around 8720, 8730 levels for the upside target of 8780, 8800 levels, placing stop loss below 8680 levels. For today, we have 5 calls, out of which we are giving 4 long and 1 short. Power Grid is long at 181, keeping stop loss of 178 for a target of 186. M&M is long at 1443, keeping stop loss of 1425 for a target of 1470. Biocon is long at 962, keeping stop loss of 950 for a target of 980. Apollo Tyre is long at 223, keeping stop loss of 219 for a target of 229. TCS is a sell call below 2401, keeping stop loss of 2425 for a target of 2365. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.